Welcome to this short video on adding subassemblies to an assembly. So here in my model I have an assembly here. What I want to do is I want to add the subassemblies. So I'm going to select on the red line here, which is the assembly. I'm going to come up here to the ribbon. I'm going to select Tool Palette. Then your tool palettes come up. Now there's a lot of different tabs here that come standard out of the box. The Assemblies tab these are the default assemblies that are used with the intersections. Then we have the basic. I don't recommend using these. Okay, I always tell my students don't use the basic ones. Some of them have issues. The ones that are any good will show up on other tabs. I'm going to go to the lane. So I want to add a lane first. Now all you do is you click on this and the properties, you're going to edit this in the properties, but my properties box is not docked. I recommend docking it because sometimes you click in here and you can't edit. So I'm going to get out of that. I'm going to escape. I'm going to now select my red line, which is the assembly. I'm going to bring up properties and I'm going to make sure this thing is docked just like that. Now we're going to click in here for the lane. And over in here, you can see all the properties. So it's going to be on the right-hand side. It's going to be 12 foot wide, a negative 2%. I've got 4 pavement depths. If I don't want 4, I can always zero one of them out if I wanted to. Here for a pavement depth, it's got 0.08. Let's say I wanted 3 inches. I don't know. I don't want to do the calculator. You can always go the 3 and the inch, and it'll do the conversion for you. Same thing here, base depth. I'm going to say I want 8 inches of base. 8 inches, and it calculates to 0.67. Here, it's 1 foot. I might actually say it's 1 meter, and that will automatically calculate it for you in foot. So it will do the conversion for you. I'm going to keep it at 1 foot. Once I've actually changed that, all I do is I select on the red line, and now I've added in my lane. So now I'm going to add in, say, a curb. So I'll go to the Curbs tab here. I'm going to just select this top curb here. I'm not going to change any of the properties in here. You can actually change those yourself, but you'll actually see down here it says dimension A, B, C. You might not know what that is. Any one of these assemblies, you can right click on this and go to help, and it'll actually bring up the help of that assembly. And you can actually see all these different values in here. Oh, dimension A is this, and so on and so forth. So always know that's available to you. So I'm just going to click on the curb. And then at the command line it says select your marker point within the assembly. And so all I'm going to do is I want to place the curb right here. I click, and now you can see I've placed that curb. And then I can add in a sidewalk or whatever it might be. This concludes this short video on adding a subassembly to an assembly.